Hi there, and welcome to test 5 on this 11 plus nonverbal reasoning task. Let's have a look at the question. So to answer the following question, you have to work out a code. For the figure below, decide how the code letters match the figure. Then look at the next figure and work out the missing code, and then choose the correct option. So we're just focusing on the example question for the moment, which we can see right at the top of our screen. Let's have a look at these particular codes here. So we've got 4 boxes, which you can see on the left-hand side. Now we need to work out what the code is for these, and then decide what this box is going to be in terms of our options A, B, C, D, and E. So if we look at the black box here, the black rectangle, that means there's only one shape here, which is black in color, and that's a circle. And we have B and a Y that could be matching with the black circle. But then again, if you look here on the left-hand side, there's another B there as well. So that means the B could stand for just a circle, and the Y could stand for the color black. Okay, so B stands for the circle and Y stands for the color black. So let's just put down Y here first of all, at the bottom. Now let's look at the shape rectangle. Now which other rectangle shape can you see here on our screen? So the rectangle shape is here. Now that could reflect H and W. But because H is at the top of the rectangle, we're going to go for H as our answer. And this then corresponds to HY as our overall answer, because H stands for a rectangle and Y stands for the color black. So let's go to our first question. Let's see how we can determine this. So again, we've got 4 boxes on the left and 1 box on the right hand side, and we have to determine what everything means. So the upper letter, this shows the position of the arc shape. Okay, so we've got arcs here. The lower letter shows us the style of the line within the actual arc shape. Okay, so those 2 things that you need to know. So T shows us the position of the arc. So we can see the position of the arc. So the position of the arc is like this, okay, on both sides. And also H shows us the position of the arc at the bottom and is facing up. Can you see here? Whereas T, the arc is at the top. The H shows us that the arc is at the bottom facing the other way around. B shows us the line is a fine line. Z shows us that the line is a bold line. N shows us that it's a dotted line. And Q shows us that it's a dashed line. So let's look at the this box here. We're trying to determine the answer now. Now in this case, that we can see that the arc is at the top. So that will stand for T. Then with the bottom letter that's missing, we can see that the line is a bold line, similar to to Z. So our answer in this case is going to be T over Z, and the option in this case is going to be C. So work out the patterns accordingly, take your time on this because there's a lot to take in, and we'll be going through this entire class, every single question in our next lesson. Try your best in the meantime. Thank you.